John, where is my phone? Did you check your bag? Yes, I looked, but it's not there. Did you see it on the table? No, it's not on the table. Maybe it's in the living room. I already looked there. Did you check the kitchen? Not yet. I will check now. I will come with you. Thank you, John. Look, is it on the chair? No, not there. How about the bedroom? Okay, let's go. Look on the bed. It's not here. Check the small table. Wait, I see something. Is it your phone? Yes, it is here. I'm glad you found it. Thank you, John. You are welcome. I feel so silly. Don't worry, it happens. Maybe keep it in your bag next time. Yes, that's a good idea. Thank you, John, for helping me. I will be more careful next time. Good, that's a smart plan. I feel happy now. I'm happy too. Hello, good afternoon. Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to our hotel. Thank you. I have a reservation. Can I see your passport, please? Yes, here it is. Thank you. What is your name? My name is Tina. Yes, I see your reservation. Tonight, correct? No, for one night. Do you want a single or double room? A single room, please. Very well. Here is your key. Thank you. What is my room number? Your room is 304 on the second floor. Okay, thank you. Do you need help with your luggage? Yes, please. I will call someone to help you. That's very kind. Thank you. You are welcome. Here is the elevator. Thank you. What time is breakfast? Breakfast is from 7 to 11 a.m. Good. Is Wi Fi available? Yes. Wi Fi is free. Here is the password. Thank you very much. Do you need anything else? Yes. Can I get a map of the city? Of course. Here is a map. Thank you. You are very helpful. You are welcome, ma'am. Enjoy and stay. I will. Goodbye. Goodbye, ma'am. Oh no, Anna, I forgot my key. Really? Are you sure? Yes, I checked my pockets. It's not there. Did you look in your bag? Yes, I looked, but nothing. Maybe you left it at college. Oh, that's possible. Can you call someone at home? My phone battery is low. Don't worry, use my phone. Thank you, Anna. You are kind. Who will you call? I will call my brother. Good idea. He may be at home. We can wait there. Okay, someone will come later. I hope so. Next time, don't forget your key. Yes, I must be careful.